part of it is that I didn't even bring my own headphones. Sucks.
Hey, how do I do this thing? Document it, record a video if you need to. I'm literally finishing up my entire SOP for like every content marketing business.
What's going on, guys? Yesterday I got off a call with my friend Ron. Ron's one of those friends that I've met in Thailand and such. I'm gonna explain to you guys a little backstory what's going on. Back in the day, back in 2016, 17 and such, like there was a massive boom of people going over to Chiang Mai, Thailand, just going to explore and trying to become digital nomads. They're gonna go build this online business and get out of the rat race and try to take control for themselves and have a business and everything to grow and just travel a lot more, right? So that was a big key component that attracted everybody, sold the dreams, and a lot of entrepreneurs and wantrepreneurs went out there, I myself included, and went out there to learn, to explore, had a great time, and took a risk, and a lot of people took a risk as well too. I myself included. I took a lot of risk and got into like severe credit card debt trying to build an online business. I started an Amazon FBA business that never really took off. Started leaking out money, and so I had to like finally close it down. Fast forward a couple years later, I was just like, you know, had to go and go back to a 9-to-5 grind and everything, and ready to restart this new stage in life and such again. And so because I'm upcoming getting married very soon, and you know, working this 9-to-5, bills have to be paid and whatnot, and so I was like talking to my friend Ron, and he was just explaining to me like what, like, you know, his plans are, how much has he done, and he's, you know, he's grown a business, an online business still and everything, and he's working with private clients doing digital marketing, which is amazing. And so like it really inspired me to think a lot, and I've been kind of toying with the idea as well too, like how do I get back on my feet again if I were to go and leave the 9-to-5 grind. And so a lot of it really has to go back and recalculate on what's going on, what's the next step, because like nothing's really a failure in my opinion. Like I went there back in 2016, 17 to Chiang Mai, Thailand. I learned a lot, spent a lot of money, and then so now we're here, we're trying to grow and trying to build something else as well too. It's funny because I came across a video over here, so how to get rich in you know, in 5 steps starting with $1 by Charlie Chang. And I was watching this video, and it talked to he spoke about just like building a high income like valued skill. So that could be like photography, it could be like video editing, it could be like IT work, it could be like digital marketing, it could be like anything that's like high, like, you know, copywriting, like sales and everything. Those are high income skills that you can take those, and those are transferable skills anywhere. It got me into a lot thinking, like, you know, I really love this YouTube channel. I really want to grow this YouTube channel. Like I was on and off it because like it's just finding the creativity, finding the inspirations, finding everything and trying to build it from there. It has been really tough. And so what was cool is that I get to share with you guys my thoughts and my next initial steps. And because like right now I am doing a 9-to-5 every single day, and then so for the time being, for most of 2023, it's basically going to be a write-off because I got like my wedding coming up in August, and then we've got a few trips lined up and everything, so majority of that money is going towards there. But the following next year, so like what I'm doing this year actually is dedicating my whole entire like free time, if I could, to go and like learn a high income skill, and which is video editing right now. I'm using DaVinci Resolve and such like that, and I'm learning so much things, but I'm actually want to share with you guys a screen share where I've been learning how to do my videos and like study like YouTube editing and everything, like video editing, because like to me, like these are transferable skills. You can actually use it to go freelance your work and whatnot. So like it's a skill that I've really wanted to develop for quite a while now, and it's actually called Skillshare. Basically like a giant library of anything you want to learn in terms of just everything. You can like learn about like photography and I'm looking through like everything, UX design, music, illustration, graphic design, film, video editing and everything, and I'm learning everything. I'm learning using it on DaVinci Resolve, and right now like I'm looking at it right now as we speak, like cinematic like beginner's guide, B-roll guide, and like it's just, you can learn everything. I gravitated towards like more Skillshare because like it's just 1-year membership. I'm gonna put like a referral link below as well too, because I think you guys do, whoever uses the referral link below does get like an extra month free or something like that, if I can look. Yeah, so earn a month of Skillshare membership for each friend that signs up with your link right here. Yeah, so free months. So you get like a free couple months or so like that, or a month or so, just to trial it and such, right? So I like Skillshare because like it's 1 whole year membership. Like I think I like paid like $130 Canadian, and I got to learn like everything. I was basically learning, like if you guys can see, like opening an Etsy store just in case, or like finding your photography style and everything. Like, but like majority of my stuff right now, it's like YouTube related. I'm learning like about thumbnails, color grading, like DaVinci Resolve, like editing and everything. I really love like Skillshare because like it's just you can learn so much on here, and then you can take the time, you can download on your mobile app, and you can just go and like, so to me, like I basically am spending like 2023 as developing like a high income skill, and then that way I can like use it for myself as well too, and like and freelance it later on in the future, so that way you can build, it could be potential growth into anything else. So you could have your own like, you know, media company. But like this is to me like Skillshare, like I can actually pop one up right now. Like I just, this is my favorite one I need to finish later on, by Fred Trevino, yeah. And you get to learn everything. Like it's about an hour and a half total. You can watch it at your own pace, follow on with the projects and everything. And I'm just looking at this every single thing.
Here and say gimbal shot.
There you go. And you can like watch it at whatever pace you want. I really like this. I really like Skillshare because, like I said, like I tend to dive in a lot. I don't like to buy one particular course. Like if you're okay with buying one particular course, like Udemy is definitely a place for you, but Skillshare is like, I can learn everything. I can learn so much things. I can learn everything. Like if I feel like I'm switching it up and everything like that, learning at different paces. And so Skillshare, like to me, is a great like platform to use. And so it doesn't cost too much. Like I said, it was maybe like $130, which is like works out to be like, I don't know, less than $10 a month, I would say. Try it out, guys. I wanted to share with you guys that because, like I said, like every single day, whenever I have the opportunity, even late at night, weekends, whatever, an hour, half an hour here and there, and they're just like diving into like learning. DaVinci Resolve is definitely one of those like programs that I've really wanted to master a little bit, because like but they're very like utilized in like Hollywood. They're very utilized in terms of color grading. Like if you specialize a little bit more in that, and then like you can niche down and like even outsource and freelance your work. And then so, you know, that'll be the next step for me. So freelancing, bringing more income, and then have the opportunity, have the extra income, so that way I can like go in and invest and start building into more things. Let's be real, like for me, I still have that spark within me, and I really want to drive more into owning my own business. I wanted to be self-employed. I want to at least work for myself. Treating this YouTube channel is actually one of the components of treating this as like a business, right? Instead of like something for fun. And any way I can help, like whoever's watching this right now in the world, is something that I really love. I really want to share that. I wanted to grow. And what really triggered this was that conversation with my friend Ron, and I wanted to share with you guys that as well too. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this as well too, as much as I did, because I wanted to share with you guys that. Check it out as well to try the free trial. If you guys don't like it, you guys don't like it. It is what it is, but I do get a little kickback, which is nice. I get to get maybe a month off or something like that, which helps along with my membership. Anyways, guys, enjoy. Have yourself a good one. Take care.